Is it time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Nvidia. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 7th of November, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of October 3rd, 2024, our system has identified Nvidia as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 6.3. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis have experienced a remarkable gain of 21.18% since we first recommended Nvidia as a buy candidate 26 days ago. This equates to an average return of 0.81% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases are likely. The 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 23.33% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 2.04% to 29.52%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a shift of about 128.83% over the next year, with a possible return between 84.50% and 167.89%. This projection corresponds to a price range of $274.67 to $398.81 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Nvidia includes the headline, Green Day on Thursday for Nvidia stock after gaining 2.24%. The Nvidia stock price gained 2.24% on the last trading day Thursday, the 7th of November, 2024, rising from 145.61 to 148.88. This marks the 5th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see whether this upward trend continues or if there will be a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated 1.88% with a low of 146.17 and a high of 148.92. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 6.03% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 38 million shares, with a total of 195 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $28.99 billion. It is important to consider that decreasing volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was 148.92, while the lowest was 45.01. Currently, the price is 0.03% or 0.045 below the 52-week high of 148.92, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Nvidia has made headlines today as its stock has soared to a record high, pushing its market capitalization past an unprecedented $3.6 trillion following Donald Trump's return to the presidency. This surge reflects investor enthusiasm, particularly in the tech sector, as companies like Nvidia are projected to greatly benefit from the continued demand for semiconductors driven by advancements in artificial intelligence. Moreover, today, Nvidia announced the appointment of Ellen Ochoa, former director of NASA's Johnson Space Center and the first Latina astronaut in space, to its board of directors. This strategic move aims to enhance leadership diversity while positioning the company for future growth. Nvidia's positive momentum is further bolstered by a robust semiconductor market, with significant gains in the SOX index. The post-election rally has energized the stock market, propelling tech giants, including Nvidia, to new heights. Growth investors are being advised to consider Nvidia, citing its solid growth attributes and the expectation of exceptional returns. In the short term, these developments are likely to drive further investment interest and potentially higher stock prices. Long-term implications are equally promising, as Nvidia continues to position itself as a leader in artificial intelligence and semiconductor technology, which could support sustained growth and profitability ahead. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned NVDA an equal weight rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Cantor Fitzgerald also rated NVDA as overweight with a hold action. KeyBank similarly gave NVDA an overweight rating, accompanied by a hold recommendation. Oppenheimer rated NVDA as perform with a hold action on that date. Finally, Piper Sandler also assigned NVDA an overweight rating while recommending a hold. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Nvidia stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have provided a rating of strong buy for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Nvidia. The Nvidia stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at $139.71 and $132.54. A drop below either of these levels could trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, September 6, 2024, and since then, the stock has increased by approximately 44.78%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. It is worth noting that trading volume decreased during the last trading day, despite price gains. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning sign, indicating that the stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence short-term developments. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal, 45 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 29 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 38 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 38 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 26 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop-loss levels for Nvidia. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $131.60 and $117.59. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level, because if it breaks, the stock may drop to the next support level. In this case, Nvidia has support just below today's level at $131.60. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume would be at $117.59 and $116.91. This stock experiences average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is regarded as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.75 between its highest and lowest points, which represents 1.88%. Over the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 2.36%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Nvidia, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2025 is expected on the 20th of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 74 cents. Keep an eye on these figures as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nvidia. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to help determine when to exit. On the downside, Nvidia encounters its first support level at 131.6. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Nvidia from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 9th of October, 2024, Mark A. Stevens conducted an insider sale of 155,000 shares of common stock. On the 3rd of October, 2024, Mark A. Stevens conducted an insider sale of 125,000 shares of common stock. On the 27th of September, 2024, Mark A. Stevens conducted an insider sale of 40,000 shares of common stock. On the 24th of September, 2024, Mark A. Stevens conducted an insider sale of 165,100 shares of common stock. On the 20th of September, 2024, Jen Chun Huang conducted an insider sale of 1,568,000 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 94.622. Overall, insiders purchased 48,359 shares and sold 5,923,740 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $144.08, which represents a decrease of 3.22%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal due to a pivot bottom identified 44 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Nvidia demonstrates several positive indicators and is currently experiencing a robust upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Thus, we believe it is a favorable option at these present levels, and we anticipate additional gains over the next 3 months. After assessing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 8th of November, we predict that Nvidia will open down by 89 cents and commence trading at $147.99. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before purchasing or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Extending regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.